How's it going?
Feels like just the next natural step. Most kids go to college after high school, so I said, why not me?
Most kids aren't 12.
I just got this ID, so oh my God, it finally works. I've worked for this for so long.
One of the questions I had was whether or not this kid's going to have a really swelled head. But you don't. You seem to have a pretty balanced point of view.
I know it sounds strange because it sounds like you're talking to some business CEO on 60 Minutes that's like 35 years old, but instead I'm only 12. Feels like the voice isn't matching up with the person right in front of you.
Do you sometimes wonder at the fact that you're only 12?
Not really. I've seen my birth certificate.
You plan to graduate college at 16 years old, is that right?
I plan to graduate actually at 14 years old and then get my Ph.D. at 16.
That's amazing. NYU is so lucky to have you. Savorna, thank you so much for joining us.
What are your goals with your studies?
Yeah, so I've got a lot of goals as well, but mainly my first goal is to finish my BS in math with a minor in physics by 2026, get a PhD by 2028, and become the world's youngest professor at 17 or 18 in 2029.
He is just 12 years old, and he's with me here in the studio in New York. So, Bono, welcome to the program.
Thank you so much. I'm really honored to be here today, and it's one of the greatest opportunities I've ever had to be meeting you.
You would be a professor at 14 years old.
Yeah.
I don't believe so, because I plan to graduate with my bachelor's at 14, and you needed a PhD to become a professor.
Okay.
So
That's
hopefully
true.
I'll be a professor at 16 or 17.